Is TikTok down? Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you have problems with TikTok DMs right now, and specifically because I received a lot of messages from people who have issues with it. So I already went to my DMs to chat, and I sent here a messages, and I think this person is not receiving it. But I already went to Twitter also, and I searched for TikTok down. And as you can see here, indeed TikTok is not working right now. The DMs are not working. As you can see, Joe, as it says, if I didn't send you any TikToks tonight, it's because the messages were down and not because I was. So yeah, unfortunately, there is a problem with TikTok right now, but you have to know that you are not the only one who has issues with it. So if you want to try to fix it, you can reinstall the app, update it, log out and then log in again, and you can also try to clear the cache and the data from your settings. So if you do have issues with TikTok right now, you can comment in the comment section down below with your questions. You can like this video if it was useful and subscribe to the channel for more updates about this topic. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.